It is said that when you're faced with an explosion, hiding inside a trash can or behind a concrete wall can save your life. To test whether these common objects can really protect you from a blast, the Mythbusters team decided to conduct an experiment using 3 pounds of C4 explosives. They brought a standard trash can to the test site, placing it 10 feet and 20 feet away from the explosion point. As in their previous experiments, Kelly fixed 2 pressure sensors in the center of the trash can and placed foam dummies inside it. Aside from lacking a lid, the trash can is almost a sealed container. Since the iron walls inside the can are sturdy, the shockwave would diffract along the top edges, increasing the internal pressure. If the energy accumulates, it could potentially cause even more fatal harm. While this method may seem foolish, what was the actual outcome? When the explosion went off, the trash can vibrated violently. However, the fatal pressure sensor at the 10-foot mark didn't rupture, and the sensor at the 20-foot mark remained intact as well. This meant that, under the protection of the trash can, a person in the injury zone would be unharmed, and even someone in the lethal zone wouldn't die on the spot. Next, they tested a concrete brick wall to see if it would provide better protection. They built a concrete wall and first tested it with a distant explosion. After comparing the results of both experiments, they were surprised to find that, thanks to the protection of the concrete wall, no sensors in either the injury or lethal zones were damaged. However, there was one thing to note: the concrete wall at the 10-foot mark completely collapsed. So, the question is, would you rather be blown to pieces or crushed by concrete bricks?